Welcome to Canary Bungalow. Book your stay easily by scanning the QR code appearing now on your screen, which also links to a detailed description. Nestled on Phu Quoc Island, just a short 4 kilometers from the city center, Canary Bungalow offers a perfect blend of tranquility and convenience. You'll find yourself just a 20-minute drive from the airport, meaning you can quickly transition from travel to relaxation. This 5-star hotel boasts 11 elegantly designed rooms, ensuring a comfortable and intimate experience for all guests. Check-in starts at 2 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in, with a relaxed checkout time of 12 p.m. the next day. Canary Bungalow is also exceptionally family-friendly, welcoming children aged 1 to 6 to stay free of charge. You'll enjoy complimentary breakfast each morning, setting you up perfectly for a day of exploration. Parking is available, and for a smooth arrival and departure, we offer express check-in. Experience the best of Phu Quoc Island. Discover the beauty and serenity that awaits you. Don't forget, scan the QR code to book your stay at Canary Bungalow. We look forward to welcoming you.